Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use the bug tracker in Zoho Project, your full 2025 guide. First off, you need to log into your Zoho Project account. This is your gateway to managing your bugs and issues efficiently. Let me explain why this matters. Zoho Bug Tracker is a tool that helps you identify, track, and fix bugs in your projects, helping you maintain the highest quality of work. Now that we've done that, let's go to the Bugs module found on the top bar. This section is where you'll be spending most of your time when dealing with bugs. The reason we do this is to have a centralized location where you can view, add, and manage your bugs. Next up, click on the Add Bug button. This will open a form where you can input details about the new bug. Make sure to include as much information as you can, like the bug's name, severity, who it's assigned to, and a short description. This helps us because the more detailed the information, the easier it is to track and fix the bug. Now let's move on to managing your bugs. To do this, go back to the Bugs module and click on the bug you wish to manage. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you manage a bug, you're essentially updating its status, tracking its progress, and even closing it once it's resolved. The final step is to use the Reports feature. Click on the Reports tab in the Bugs module. This feature generates an overview of all the bugs in your project, including their status, priority, and assigned team members. The reason we do this is to keep track of progress and ensure all bugs are accounted for and resolved in a timely manner. And there you have it. You're now well-versed in using the bug tracker in Zoho Project. Remember, the key to efficient bug tracking is constant monitoring and timely resolution. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.